The Nordland region lies above central Norway, between the Trøndelag and Troms regions, and offers numerous attractions. One of them is the Svartisen Glacier, with around 370 square kilometers, the second largest glacier in Norway and the deepest glacier on the European continent. The climb from Svartisvatnet leads past magnificent waterfalls over the glacier to Austerdalsvatnet. An indescribable experience is the gigantic view of the glacier tongue, which invites you to linger from a safe distance. Hello and welcome. My name is Thomas from Tom's Caravaning Adventures. We are currently standing here at the Valsøya campsite, not far from the Kristiansund in the North Møre region. We now drive around 620 km further north to the Svartisen Glacier. Let's go! The path takes us past Trondheim into the North Trøndelag region. Here we'll spend the night at Vegsetcamping, north of Steinkjer at the upper end of Snasavatnet. We drove 290 km today and will spend the night here at Vegsetcamping. The course is located north of Steinkjer, beautifully situated on the Snasavatnet. The quiet location and the great ambience surprises us. Not only the reception, but also the sanitary facilities are in top condition. We stay overnight for 290 crowns, which is around 25 euros. Electricity and hot water showers cost extra and we bring our own. We enjoy the evening with a view of the beautiful lake in the sunshine before we continue tomorrow. The place is right on the lake. In addition to campfire and barbecue facilities, the beach offers a great view over the water. The rocky tongues protruding into the lake are a special feature of this complex. From here we have a great view all around. Good morning, liebe Leute. Good morning, guys. After our drive yesterday from Valsøya Council Square to Vegsetcamping, we now continue to the north of Mo I Rana. Our destination is the Svartisen Glacier. So, let's go. We continue north on the E6. The constantly visible waters with the surrounding vegetation provide a pleasant change along the way. After about 120 km, we reach the regional border between North Trøndelag and Nordland. We are approaching the Nordlandsportal. Here at the Nordlandsportal, North Norway welcomes everyone traveling further north and invites you to take a break. A small souvenir shop is also mandatory here. It's not far to our destination. We drive a good 190 km past Mo I Rana to Røssvoll. We head for Røssvoll Camping, not far from the small airport on the Ranelva River. We quickly find a parking space and park the caravan. We have now arrived at Røssvoll Camping and will stay here for 2 nights. The small place is located directly on the quiet Ranelva River and offers hot water and the proper sanitary facilities for 300 crowns, or around 26 euro. We don't need electricity. Tomorrow we will make our way to the Svartisen Glacier. Despite the proximity to the E6, the parking space is in a quiet location and offers beautiful views. We set off the next morning at 8:20 am. Our destination, the Svartisen Glacier. It is 23 km from the campsite to the hiking car park in Svartisen Rana. The parking fee is 150 crowns. A further 150 crowns are due for administrative fees totaling around 27 euros. We then start our 13 km hike directly from the eastern end of Svartisen. We save ourselves the 4 km long boat crossing to the western end. So now we are off to the hike towards the Svartisen Glacier. The path is challenging and leads along the lake shore. Good hiking shoes are advisable. A very challenging and muddy path. You have to be very careful here. 2 kilometers in an hour. Really tiring. We repeatedly cross small watercourses. You can see where we were right away. We keep stopping briefly and looking around the wild growth. After a while, we gain increasing height and have solid rocky ground under our feet. We are now near the western boat launch. Take a look at this environment here. After the forest, crazy. The transition to the further climb impresses us with the great panorama all around. Yes, joy! With every step we take closer to the roaring waterfall, we are motivated to go further and further. Isn't that great? It's crazy, isn't it? The signposts keep showing us the direction. We are entertained by the mixture of structurally strong, colorful rock cut and the wild water backdrop. Even though it goes steadily uphill here, the path is not as difficult as the path through the swampy forest before. Always follow the red stone markings. It's easy to lose sight of the path up here, so the red markings are real help. We always enjoy the incredible panoramic views and can hardly believe it. A really great landscape here. We are just before Austerdalsvatnet. Many small pools with underwater vegetation adorn our path. And then it tentatively appears in our field of vision on the right, the glacier. Embedded in this incredible panorama on Austerdalsvatnet with the surrounding mountains, it shines mightily. The path up here demanded a bit from us, but it was worth it. We have now arrived at the glacier and can't quite believe how impressive this arm of ice lies in front of us. A small roof offers weather protection if necessary and still allows an uninterrupted view of this mighty natural spectacle. We enjoy the peace and diversity of the landscape up here. Every stone and every edge literally leaves us speechless before we make our way back. Clearly, the highlight of this section is the Svartisen Glacier. His overpowering appearance will keep us busy for a long time. We spent a great evening at Vegsetcamping with its location and facilities in the Snasavatnet area. But the transition between the Trøndelag and Nordland regions on the way here also caught our attention with the Nordlandsportal. Tomorrow we continue on to our next stage via the E6 to the Troms region. It's over for today. Danke fürs Einschalten. Wenn dir das, thanks for tuning in. If you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up, a comment and subscribe to my channel.